In this year, Replit has evolved from a simple online editor into a powerhouse for vibe coding, where you can build, test, and deploy full-stack JavaScript applications using natural language. Whether you want to write every line yourself or let the Replit agent do the heavy lifting, here's the masterclass tutorial. So stop worrying about npm install and environment variables. This year, Replit is the ultimate playground for JavaScript. And today, we're talking about how to go from a blank page to a live, production-ready app in minutes. We're covering the Replit agent, the Node.js, and also the runtime of it, and one-click deployments. If you've ever felt stuck in tutorial hell, this is your way out. And firstly, head to replit.com, and of course, we will need an account. So if you wish to create one, you can click on here, and then you can continue with the stock version of registering, which is email, or use the accounts to basically set yourself up with a fresh account much faster. In my case, I'll just go ahead and log in. Okay, and now I am successfully logged in. Right, and as you can see, in our homepage, we have this kind of design. So what are the most important things here? So just like any AI this year, you need your prompt box to use it and just describe. As you can see, it tells us your idea, and then the agent will bring it to life. So pretty much just explain in simple language what's the workflow, what are you trying to achieve, and of course what kind of app it is, in as much detail as possible. And of course, don't forget to be precise, because the more precise and the more efficient your prompt is, the better, of course, the outcome in the live app that it's going to create it will be. So just make sure to be very accurate here. And as you can see, we have different presets for what we can generate, from websites to, of course, apps. So if you scroll, as you can see, we can build a mobile app, we can build a website, as you can see, animation, so whatever you wish. So in our case, let's just use the mobile app, and of course, do not forget about the prompts. And for instance, the prompts can be something like this. As you can see, I'm going to be building a React dashboard that tracks crypto prices using the CoinGecko API. And after that, you can also upgrade and use the plan mode, which is going to be more efficient, but free one will suffice. And then, of course, just press on start, and now your mobile app is going to be crafting itself. But also, guys, if you want to go with the manual path, you can just create a new REPL and choose the node.js or HTML/CSS or JS template. And this gives you a clean slate with a built-in terminal and a real-time browser preview. And the AI path, which I have taken, and this is where the magic happens, you just use the agent and type a prompt, something like mine or similar, or anything you wish. And the agent doesn't just give you code, it creates the files, installs dependencies, and sets up your package JSON automatically. Alright, and also Replit's editor is now powered by Replit Agent 3. So as you type JavaScript, you'll notice next edit predictions. So the AI isn't just finishing your current line, it's predicting the next 3 files you need to edit to make your function work. And if you need a debug, it just highlights an error in the console and click AI Fix. It will analyze the stack trace and apply the patch for you. Want to switch frameworks? You can ask the agents to convert this vanilla.js project to Next.js, and it handles the migration in seconds. And now this takes us to databases and a youth. So this year, backend work is a breeze. For database, you no longer need external Mongo database or SQL setups. You can just use the built-in Replit database. And a youth now. So do you want a login page? Drag in the Replit a youth tool. It provides a login with a Replit or login with Google button that handles all the heavy security lifting so you can focus on your app's logic. And then in terms of the one-click deployment. So when you're ready for the world to see your work, just click on Publish or Deploy. It's going to be a button right here. And this here you have three main options. The first one is static, perfect for simple portfolios. It's lightning fast and cost effective. Second one, auto scale, great for apps with unpredictable traffic. It scales to 0 when no one is using it, saving you money. And then reserved VM, so for bots or APIs that need to be always on. So pick your subdomain or connect your own custom .com and hit deploy now. Your app is live with SSL automatically included. And also, friends, do not forget that at any point of time while it's creating or after it's done creating, you can submit any of the changes and modifications that you wish. So for example, if you want to, say, change the color of the buttons or something, you can easily do that by typing in what you want. So maybe you want to change the interface a little, maybe change the color palette. So anything you wish can be done. And also don't forget that in the window itself, as you can see, we have this kind of a frame of the phone. I'm guessing it's like an iPhone-ish frame. So inside it, you can actually click the buttons, as you can see. So if you want to test how some features work and pretty much see how fast, for example, your app is, you can easily do that. As you can see, everything is scrollable, clickable, and we can test stuff out. And at any point, just modify your app in any way you want. And also you can include, for example, the login methods, right? For some people, for people that want to log in, use the account, maybe set up some Google account integration. You can do all of this in here. You will just need some APIs to work with. And yeah, that's pretty much how you set up your app. And then also, as you can see, you can test on a mobile device to experience touch gestures and native features. So as you can see, you can just pretty much test it on your phone, which is great. And then, guys, when you're ready to publish your app, it's actually pretty simple. You click on Publish, and in here you will get, as you can see, how you can do this. Then you choose if it's public or only for you, but only for you is going to be a pro feature locked behind a subscription. So also if you're, for example, looking to build full stack apps, maybe full time, maybe for work or something, you should, of course, most likely get yourself and grab yourself a subscription. And that's pretty much it, guys. This is how you master JavaScript on Replit. If this guide helped you ship your fast app today, don't forget to subscribe, guys.